India is scripting a new chapter in infrastructure, building not just roads, airports, and railways, but world-class projects that are transforming the nation. From the world's largest renewable energy parks to digital highways, powering a $5 trillion economy, these mega projects are driving growth, boosting urbanization, and shaping a modern, resilient India. Here are 10 projects that are redefining the country's future. The Vadhavan Port project in Maharashtra is set to become one of India's most ambitious maritime developments. With an investment of over 76,000 crore rupees, this deep-water greenfield port will have natural depths of more than 20 meters, making it capable of handling the world's largest container ships. Designed as part of the PM Gati Shakti Master Plan, it will be seamlessly connected to expressways, freight corridors, and rail networks, including a new 105-kilometer freight link to the Mumbai-Nagpur Samruddhi Expressway. Once operational by 2029, Vadhavan Port is expected to ease congestion at existing western ports, emerge as a global transshipment hub, and create over 1 million jobs, firmly positioning India as a major player in international trade. India's high-speed rail projects mark a bold step toward transforming the nation's transport landscape. Led by the National High-Speed Rail Corporation, the first corridor under construction runs 508 kilometers between Mumbai and Ahmedabad, with Japanese collaboration and an investment of over 1 lakh crore rupees. Designed for speeds of more than 320 kilometers per hour, this bullet train will cut travel time between the two cities from over 7 hours to just about 2. Once completed, it will set the foundation for a nationwide high-speed network, with proposed corridors linking Delhi to Ahmedabad, Delhi to Varanasi, and Varanasi to Howrah, ushering in a new era of speed, efficiency, and connectivity in Indian railways. In the deserts of Gujarat, India is building the Khavda Renewable Energy Park, the world's largest solar park. Spread across more than 72,000 hectares, this massive project will generate over 473 million units of green electricity annually. Developed with an investment of nearly 850 crore rupees, it is set to be operational by the end of 2025, powering millions of homes and driving India closer to its clean energy targets. The Khavda project is not just about energy, it's about transforming barren land into the engine of India's sustainable future. India's aviation sector is soaring to new heights, with major reforms and initiatives like the UDAN scheme already connecting 90 airports across the country. Now, 2 landmark projects, Noida International Airport at Jewar and the Navi Mumbai International Airport, are set to redefine air travel for India's largest urban hubs. Together, they will ease congestion, boost international connectivity, and position India as a true global aviation hub. With Navi Mumbai Airport scheduled to begin operations by September 2025 and Jewar Airport expected to be operational by the end of 2025, these world-class facilities will change the way India flies. The Delhi-Mumbai Expressway is India's longest and most ambitious expressway project, stretching 1,386 kilometers to link the nation's political capital with its financial hub. Designed as an 8-lane, access-controlled highway, it will cut travel time between Delhi and Mumbai from 24 hours to just about 12. Scheduled for completion by October 2025, this mega corridor will not only transform passenger travel, but also revolutionize freight movement, creating faster, safer, and more efficient connectivity across the heart of India. The Western Dedicated Freight Corridor is transforming the backbone of India's logistics network. Spanning 1,506 kilometers from Dadri in Uttar Pradesh to the Jawaharlal Nehru Port in Maharashtra, this freight-only railway line is designed to move goods faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. By separating freight from passenger traffic, it will decongest India's busy railways while boosting industrial growth along its route. As of October 2025, the corridor is more than 96% operational, bringing India closer to a modern logistics ecosystem that rivals the best in the world. India's roads are not just for vehicles anymore. They're becoming the backbone of the country's digital future. Under the Digital Highways Initiative, the National Highways Authority of India is building 10,000 kilometers of dedicated fiber optic corridors along expressways. The pilot stretches include 1,367 kilometers on the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway and 512 kilometers on the Hyderabad-Bengaluru corridor. These digital highways will power 5G and 6G networks, enable connected vehicles, and bring high-speed internet to rural areas. By integrating transport and technology, India is laying the foundation for smarter mobility and a truly connected nation. Launched in 2017, the Bharatmala Pariyojana is one of India's most ambitious road development programs. In its first phase alone, the project is building over 34,800 kilometers of national highways to strengthen connectivity and streamline freight movement across the country. With an investment of nearly 4.7 lakh crore rupees, more than 19 kilometers have already been completed, linking economic corridors, logistics parks, and border regions. Beyond boosting trade and mobility, Bharatmala is also creating millions of jobs, making it a true driver of growth and development across India. Launched in 2021, the PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan is transforming how India builds infrastructure. By bringing together 44 central ministries, 36 states and union territories, and more than 1,600 data layers on a single digital platform, it has streamlined planning and coordination like never before. The initiative ensures that highways, railways, ports, pipelines, and utilities are aligned for maximum efficiency, cutting down delays and costs. In just 3 years, Gati Shakti has become the backbone of India's multimodal transport strategy, enabling faster, smarter, and more reliable infrastructure development across the country. At the heart of India's infrastructure revolution are the industrial corridors and smart cities being developed by the National Industrial Corridor Development Corporation. Covering 11 corridors and more than 32 development nodes, these projects are designed to position India as a global hub for manufacturing and investment. With state-of-the-art infrastructure, seamless logistics, and robust connectivity, they promise to attract industries, create jobs, and boost exports. Alongside, the government has committed over 28,000 crore rupees to develop 12 futuristic smart cities under the NICDC. These cities will act as engines of innovation and growth, driving technology transfer, supporting MSMEs, and creating world-class ecosystems that redefine India's urban and industrial landscape. From deep-water ports and high-speed rail to smart cities and digital highways, these mega projects are more than just infrastructure. They are the building blocks of a new India. Together, they promise faster connectivity, cleaner energy, stronger industries, and smarter cities. As these projects take shape, they are not only redefining India's landscape, but also shaping its future as a global economic powerhouse. Which project impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into India's transformation.